Have you and your truck had a rough winter? Has the polar vortex and potholes taken a toll on your truck and trailer? If so, it's time for a spring repair to get you on the road again. Loose flaps, visors, top rails, steps, hinges, and handles are just a few items that the GB 756 MGK can repair on your Kenworth, Peterbilt, Freightliner, Mack, and many other truck and trailers. The MG 06-745-48 is used for 3/16 magna grips for hard-to-reach areas like the visor, mud flaps, and splash guards. Next we have the MG 08-745-48, which is used for quarter-inch magna grips. This nose is specifically for structural areas such as hinges, handles, and steps. Next up is the robust MG 10-756-28, which will pull the 5/16 magna grip. This nose is used on large structural areas such as the top rails. And finally, we include the largest magna grip nose on the market. It's the MG 12-756-28. This nose is also used for larger structural areas such as your top rails as well as your corner brackets. As you see, there really isn't much that the GB 756 can't handle. Included in your GB 756 MGK kit is a bleeder bottle and a pintail catcher bag to prevent any broken pintails from getting loose. Remember, if you want to make your truck look like new again, trust GAGE BILT's GB 756 MGK for your repairing needs. If you're looking to repair just about anything on a cab or trailer, the GB 756 is just the tool for you. If you need to install any other types of lock bolts and structural blind rivets, additional noses for the GB 756 are available to add to your kit. GAGE BILT. Tough tools for tough jobs. GAGE BILT Incorporated since 1956.